So let me introduce our next speaker for the day, Mr. Surinder Alahavat, Director HR, The Indian Hotels Company Limited. Let me give a small brief about him. Mr. Surinder Alahavat, Human Resources Director at The Indian Hotels Company Limited, brings over 15 years of HR expertise, specializing in talent management, organizational development, and strategic HR initiatives. The topic will be creating a culture of inclusion, best practices for implementing diversity, equity, and inclusion initiatives. With this, sir, can we have you on stage with a huge round of applause, everyone? Come on, let's bring energy to the room and start.
Good afternoon. No response. Good afternoon, everybody. I'm sure that you had a sumptuous lunch, and I can understand feeling a bit lazy. So don't worry, I'm not going to give you so much of gyan, which is already, you have already observed since morning. A lot of presentations, a lot of discussions, panel discussions, which has happened by the experts in the field. So I'll just discuss the topic, which is creating the culture of diversity and inclusion, which is very close to my heart. Diversity and inclusion, they are very closely correlated, interlinked, but if they are not very well connected, they stand apart. Diversity does not mean anything if it is not inclusive. So I'll just be going through, I'll take to the ancient times, because we are the country of rich heritage, culture, customs, and where a lot of castes, creed, different cultures all together still make one. So it was earlier also, it was happening, but in bits and pieces. Like if you remember Ramayana and Mahabharata, most famous epics of our Hindu culture. In Ramayana also, when Prabhu Ram was just giving a message by eating or bhilani ke beer, I'm sure that everybody remembers, that was a message to the society as a whole, that we do not differentiate. We are inclusive of diversity. That was the clear message. And then in Mahabharata also, Sudputra Karan, I'm sure that most of you remember, if somebody has not seen Mahabharata, Sudputra Karan, that time education was imparted to the selected few. It was not open to everybody and anybody. That was the difference. Now slowly over a period of time, the education took over, and now I'm very happy to see in a current scenario, this hall is full of at least 50% of ladies. So that speaks a volume about, let's give a big round of applause for all the ladies. So that is a cultural change we can see nowadays in the industries. So what happened in the medieval time also, this caste system was very prevalent, and even PWD were not considered to, do a very specific job or make their livelihood. But how the things are changing, I just got one clip for you, just to change the monotony of a lot of knowledge. So in this clip, you will see a lot of learnings on various aspects, the leadership style, how a leader can change the total aspect of the entire community as such. And then the inclusiveness and diversification is also part of it. May I request to play the clip, please? Volume.
कचरा गेंद फेंक अरे कहाँ देखा था गेंद फेंक ना अरे क्या किया तूने
मैंने क्या किया तुम्हें कहा फेंको सो
इधर अरे इधर है ना
मैंने कुछ नहीं किया तुम्हें कहा फेंको सो मैं फेंका
अरे सब लोग इधर आओ अनिता मीम साहब दौड़ से देखो कचरा को कि गेंद को? एक कचरा जरा फिर से फेंक।
मैंने कोनो जुर्म नहीं की। ये भुवन भैया जो कहा सो मैं फेंका।
कचरा गेंद फेंक। नहीं बाई से नहीं, दाहिने हाथ से फेंक। देखा, कहाँ फिर की मारत है।
Amazing. He's actually spinning the ball.
मिल गवा हमका हमारे 11वां खिलाड़ी। चल कचरा, इसे कहा आप सामना कीजिए। गोली कचरा को देखा गेंद कहां से फेंकनी है। लाका टंडियों के पीछे। अरे चल ला गेंद फेंक। अरे क्या हुआ? सब जने खड़े खड़े मुंह काहे ताक रहे?
अरे भुवन, ना हम नहीं खेलेंगे।
काहे? क्या हुई गवा?
अरे ये ससुरा अछूत हमरे साथ ना ये हमारे साथ नहीं खेल सकत। पक्की बात, हम एक अछूत के साथ कंधा नहीं मिलाएंगे। ये नहीं हो सकता भुवन। तरी सोचो ही हम नहीं खेला। अब हम ना खेला भुवन। ए भुवन, हिकारत कर रहे हो। तलवार की धार से गन्ना काट के खेत कलंकित कर रहे हो। गोरों के साथ लड़ना धर्म है, पर एक अछूत का साथ लेके पूरा दूध भ्रष्ट होने नहीं देगा। एक कचरा भाग यहां से।
कचरा दूध पर छूत अछूत की छाप लगे कि दूध तो आप ब्रश कर रहे हो। सारे गांव की सांस ही छूत अछूत के धुएं से काहे घोट रहे हो मुखिया जी? कमड़ी प्रकाश ऑफिसर काका, आप तो वैद्य हो, पीड़ा करते हो, रोगी की नाड़ी परख के उसका इलाज करते हो। क्या आपका शास्त्र यही कहता है कि अछूत का इलाज न किया जाए, उसको मरने दिया जाए? अगर ऐसा है तो ये इंसानियत के नाम पे सबसे बड़ा कलंक होएगा। और फिर आज के बाद कोई भी वैद्य को भगवान का दूसरा रूप नहीं मानेगा।
वो सब छोड़ भुवन, तू तो तगड़ा खिलाड़ी चाहे था ना। ये कचरा तो लूला है।
तेरे हाथ सलामत है ना? देवी मां मेहरबान लाखा सो कह रहा है, मगर जिस कलाई को तूने लूला कहा है वही हमारी सबसे बड़ी ताकत बनेगी। देख लेना, ये बेजान सा पंजा ही हमका जीत दिलाएगा। एक बात आप सब लोगों का फिर से याद दिलाई दो, ये सिर्फ खेल नहीं है जो हम किसी के मौज मनोरंजन के लिए खेलते हैं। ये एक लड़ाई है जो हमका जीतनी है। हमारा मकसद सिर्फ एक है, लगान से मुक्ति, गांव की खुशहाली। और उनके वास्ते मैं मरते दम तक किसी के सामने नहीं झुकूंगा। आप लोग मेरा साथ दें या ना दें, मगर कचरा खेलेगा।
भुवन बेटा, जो आंखें पूरी तरह से खुल गई हो, उनमें तो शर्म भी नहीं आ सकत।
मैं ईश्वर भाई से सहमत हूँ। भुवन तो ठीक ही कहा था।
कचरा हमने साथ खेलेगा।
Thank you. So, this is very inspiring clip which was prevalent and existing in our culture, society, in the medieval world. And this is how a leader can make an impact when he understands the potential of anybody, because everybody is not equal in the teams. So he's like in Amir Khan gives opportunity to Kachra, and the people who have seen the movie Lagan, they understand. Finally, they win the match. So now is the time has come to understand and realize the importance of inclusiveness and diversity. So I'll just take you through what happened. This was the existing time in medieval India, where casteism was at peak. I still remember the famous poem of Dinkarji. He said in a एक फूल की चाह कि पापी ने मंदिर में घुसकर किया अनाथ बड़ा भारी, कलुषित कर दी है मंदिर की चिरकालिक सुचिता सारी. So that was the society we were living in. But then Tatas, I don't have to introduce, Tatas came into India, and though the inclusiveness and diversity was existing in our society, but in bits and pieces, though they brought that inclusiveness and diversity in our culture, in our society, in our business. So I'll just take you through the Tata's IHCL is progressing on this aspect of inclusiveness, that we plan to hire 25% of women in IHCL by 2025. That is the way forward we as a IHCL are looking for, and I'm sure that we will surpass this target. 33% of new hire at new hotels. Again, we are surpassing in this also. 33% new hire in existing hotels also, because that is the part of the KRA for everybody, and we are happy to announce that we are meeting all the targets. 5% new hire to be women returning to second career. That is applicable for ladies for some reason, due to family constraints or after marriage, conceiving child or something, they have left and they want to rejoin. At all levels it is applicable. So this is her matrix. That is, she remains the Taj. And 500 women we are going to hire as a program on Diva, that is from the rural side of our country, and 1% PWD hiring. I'll just say because earlier PWD were not considered some years back to be part of the hotel industry, and I can give you a live example. A lot of people, when the guest like you who comes to the lobby and a person with PWD, he interacts and offers you the services, people feel like interacting, having chat in whatever way they could, and they feel happy to see them as part of the mainstream. So that is where the IHL is making a difference. Environment for inclusion, 50% of the HODs hotels to undergo sensitization programs by 24, 100 campaigns on internal communication to spread awareness on DEI, 25% of skilling out of 1 lakh. It's a big target, and IHCL has come out with this program that 1 lakh total, 1 lakh underprivileged society, the employees will be trained and absorbed in IHCL. Out of that, 25% will be women. So retention of key talent, career advancement for women, 66 mentorship programs, total 135 programs we are running, and 60 leadership programs, and 9 sponsored programs for skilling. We are tying up with various skilling centers like Tata Strive and other various institutes. So that is the whole future for the Taj, how we are going to drive, how we are going to live this culture of diversity and inclusion. And in the end, I would like to say that very famous song of one of the movies, कि एक अकेला थक जाएगा मिलकर हाथ उठाना. Let's all be inclusive and progress together. That is the way forward for the industry. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Surinder. एक बार जोरदार ताली हो जाए. Come on, everybody, make some noise. Come on. Okay, so with this, can I invite Mr. Sachin Tiwari, Head HR Magic Pin. Sir, can we have you here so that we can present a small token of appreciation to Mr. Surinder?